this is Rhazel. Welcome back to... What's that? Okay, so yung mga must-haves, I'm gonna show you guys. Yes. So, oh, crap. Hi guys, this is Rhazel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys my must-have brushes. Some of you guys have been requesting me to do this video, so here it is. Yeah, wala akong eye brushes na ipapakita dito kasi hindi naman must-have para sa akin yung mga eye brushes kasi I don't apply eye makeup on a daily basis. Ito lang talaga yung mga brushes na masasabi kong as in super kailangan ko talaga. And I'm gonna show you guys like more than one powder brush, more than one foundation brush. Of course, it's your choice. I'm just giving you options. You don't have to have all these. Okay, so I'm gonna start with foundation brush. Para sa akin, fingers pa rin yung best tool for foundation. But meron talagang ibang foundation na mas nagper-perform best kung brushes yung gagamitin mo. I have two foundation brushes right here. The first one is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I don't think this is meant to apply foundation, but I use it as a foundation brush kasi it works as a foundation brush and nabablend niya naman ng maayos yung foundation ko. So that's the first one. The second foundation brush that I have is from Beauty Cosmetics. This is the rounded Kabuki brush. Ito yung pinakaunang Kabuki foundation brush na meron ako. And this one, sobrang nagwo-work siya ng bongga as a foundation brush kasi nababuff mo talaga ng maayos yung foundation. Nabablend niya talaga ng maayos yung foundation. This one I got from the US pero nagbebenta yung Prettyangelshoppe nito. So I will leave Prettyangelshoppe link below. And then ito naman, obviously available sa Beauty Cosmetics. So yes. Next must-have of mine is a concealer brush. To be honest with you guys, I use my fingers most of the time to blend in my concealer. But then again, meron talagang ibang concealer na mas nag-work best kung brushes yung gagamitan mo. So when it comes to concealer, I use these. So the first one I have in here, which is my favorite out of the three, is the MAC 190 SE brush. This is a replica. I got this from a set. So hindi ko alam kung available pa rin siya. Yung mga ganitong klaseng brush lang talaga para sa akin perfect for concealer kasi hindi siya malaki tapos napapat-on mo talaga ng product ng bonggang-bongga under your eyes. And then kung hindi nyo yun mahanap, this is another alternative. This is from BH Cosmetics. Ito yung foundation brush nila. Yung mga ganitong klaseng brushes I don't use sa foundation kasi I find it really small. Tapos feeling ko kapag ganito, tagal ko matapos. So ginagamit ko siya sa concealer ko and that's another option. And I have another one right here that I got from Gaisano. It's just a random concealer brush. But just to show you guys, anything that looks like this, you can use as a concealer brush and it works amazing. Okay, next is powder brushes. I have three right here. Oh yes, the matabang brush is back. This is the Ecotools Bamboo Bronzer Brush. So yes, it is bronzer brush, but I use it as a powder brush because you guys, this is so fluffy, so soft. Para sa akin, perfect siya pang powder. Kung bronzer, kasi sa akin, sobrang laki na itong brush na to. I have another option right here. This is, I got this from Gaisano. This is called Jenny 007. Just in case makita niyo yung ganito, it works great as a powder brush as well. So it looks like that. Very fluffy, very soft din ito. The third one I need to include, this is also my favorite powder brush, especially when I travel because it has a pouch. I got this from Prettyangelshoppe. As well as this, I got from Prettyangelshoppe. Ang daming brushes sa Prettyangelshoppe, you guys. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mga brush, go check Prettyangelshoppe out. But yeah, it looks like that. Perfect kasi ang liit-liit lang niya. Tapos meron pa siyang sariling pouch. And I believe this is only 150 pesos and brush on a pouch for 150. That's a great deal right there. Next naman is blush brush. I have two brushes right here. This one is my most used blush brush. As you guys can see, super nag-stain na yung blush ko sa brush na to. Kahit na ilang beses ko pa tong hugasan, hindi na natatanggal yung pink stain because again, I use this a lot. This is again from that MAC brush set. This is the MAC 187 SE brush. This is a stippling brush as you guys can see. So any stippling brush that is as wide as this, yung perfect size lang for your cheeks, it works amazing as a blush brush. Another option, if hindi kayo makahanap ng ganito, another option is this one. This comes from this set. This is the BH Cosmetics 11 pieces brush set. I got this from Prettyangelshoppe as well. This is actually the powder brush in the set, pero I don't use it as a powder brush because as you guys can see, yung mga powder brush na ginagamit ko, parang malalaki compared dito. Para sa akin, maliit siya as a powder brush, so I use it as a blush brush. But yeah, it works great as a blush brush. Kung meron meron kayong powder brush na naliliitan kayo, use it as a blush brush. Don't let it go to waste. So for the eyebrows naman, I have two right here. This one is my most used eyebrow brush. Ito lang talaga yung best eyebrow brush para sa akin. This is an eyeliner brush, by the way. Again, from that MAC brush set. I will actually post a picture of that MAC brush set, you guys. Siguro mahanap niyo siya kasi replica lang naman yung akin. So, ipopost ko yung picture ngayon. That's it. That's the brush set I have been talking in this video. And this is the 212 SE brush. I've had this brush for what, 3, almost 4 years now, and bonggang bongga. Hanggang ngayon, ito pa rin yung favorite eyebrow brush ko. If hindi nyo mahanap yung ganito, this one performs kind of the same, not exactly the same, but close. This is also an eyeliner brush, but again, I use it as an eyebrow brush. This also comes in this brush set right here. Mas prefer ko nga lang tong MAC kasi mas maigsi siya. This one has longer bristles, as you guys can see. Yeah, and that's basically it for my must-have brushes. If you are a beginner and you are looking for a brush set to buy, I highly recommend the BH Cosmetics 11 pieces polka dots brush set. Super ganda nito, guys. I actually did a review on this. I'm pretty sure the review is already up. Kung gusto niyo makita yung mga close-up ng mga brushes and kung saan ko ginagamit yung mga brushes, then the link of that video will be below. Andito yung tatlong brushes na na-mention ko, which is the powder brush, but I use as a blush brush, concealer brush, and then the eyeliner brush that you can use as an eyebrow brush. And then the blending brush in here, you guys, is really, really good. Again, watch my review if you want to know more details about this and my thoughts on this. Yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Do not forget to like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I do my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget, be good. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!